Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. In the flower field is where we grow all of our cut flowers. It's also kind of turned it into a nursery for our flower garden. So we take some of the flowers out of here after we grow them out to adult size. And I'm here because I want to talk about the Aquifer kit. I'm really proud of it. I've been working on it for years. It's gone through a lot of iterations, and I really like where it is now. It's basically a wobbler stand. But what's nice about it is it's not like a little tiny tube, you know, where you kind of punch into the pipe and then you send a little tube up. You know, it's a proper sprinkler stand that's out of the way. It comes with all the pieces you need right out of the box, which is really nice. You know, we used to have it with garden hoses and stuff, but now the poly comes with the kit, all the stakes, all the wobblers, the fittings to hook it up to a hose. And so the kit is 4 wobblers, and the reason I did that is because that's really good for 100 feet. So this flower field is 100 feet, so there's 4 wobblers, and then it does 4 beds wide, so it's like 800 feet of beds just on 4 wobblers. And I put together a kit in like 15 minutes. I mean, it's just so easy. Probably takes longer to, you know, coil out the pipe than, you know, putting it all together. Anyway, I'm really excited about it, and it's just solved so many issues on our farm with clogged wobblers from steel stands and having to deal with hoses and stuff being in the way on the path and all of that. So we use it in the houses, we use it in the field, we use it everywhere. All right, so thanks for watching, and until next time.